Alright guys, I just rushed home from work for lunch and saw that FedEx delivered this chrome plated Baby Wilton 820 in an interesting box. So I figure we'd do a little unboxing video here. Fairly well packed. Wow, it's got some weight to it. Looks like that opens, that slides out, so it's got the dovetail. The photos in the auction didn't have that detail, but I was assuming that's how it worked. Oh man. So there it is. Somebody put felt in between the jaws. Yeah, nothing was ever clamped in this. Absolutely amazing. It swivels, the slide's perfect. Interesting, they put set screws in where the pins would be. I don't remember that that's how they originally came. I'm guessing 1970s. 67. Looks like 2 or 12. I can't. The chrome and nickel may have filled in. But there's definitely either a 1-2 or a 2 and then 6-7. So 1967. Absolutely gorgeous. Now they didn't polish the entire vise, so they left the lettering, and so the chrome, this could be nickel too, but I think it's chrome. They didn't fully smooth the casting off. They did here and a little bit here, but in some of the tighter areas and around the lettering, they didn't do that. The jaws and the slide are fully chrome plated, as is the spindle and the front collar. Absolutely beautiful. The other thing I was curious about, let me lock this down, was if the underside has rubber feet and there's 2 holes. I was curious if there were any other holes, if this box was repurposed. I don't think it has, only because those are the only 2 holes that are in there. The adapter plate looks like maybe 3/8 aluminum. Looks like it was, yeah, it's probably manually machined in 67. But there it is. I do have an email into somebody at Wilton just to see if they know anything about it. But it has to be a traveling salesman sample. I don't know what else it would be. The handle itself, nice leather, fits, you know, the age. So that slides in there. Carry it to your next sales appointment.